Hey, what's going on everyone? Xiaomi 12 series is expected to get a new entry very soon. Xiaomi is reportedly working on a Xiaomi 12 Lite 5G and is going to launch the phone very soon in China and other markets. Now a new leak has tipped the specifications of the upcoming smartphone. Though there isn't any official word from the smartphone maker, tipster Yogesh Barar has leaked the complete specifications and expected price of the device. Meanwhile, Xiaomi recently confirmed the launch of the Xiaomi 12 Pro in India and it's launching on 27th April. So in this video we are going to tell you what the leaks are all about. Please bear with us till the end of this video. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we want to tell you something important. Almost 99% of you watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. According to the leak, the Xiaomi 12 Lite 5G will feature a 6.55-inch AMOLED display that offers Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It is said to be powered by a Snapdragon 778 SoC. The device is set to offer 128GB plus 256GB of inbuilt storage and pack up to 8GB of RAM. On the software side of things, the leaked specifications suggest that the smartphone will run on Android version 12 with MIUI 13 user interface on top. On the back of the device, you will get a triple rear camera setup. The camera module on the Xiaomi 12 Lite 5G is set to include a 64-megapixel primary sensor which will be joined by a 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The main sensor will offer optical image stabilization. On the front, the smartphone is expected to house a 16-megapixel camera for selfies and video calling. A 4500 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging support will reportedly keep the lights on. The leaked specifications match an earlier leak from March. Other specifications include an in-display fingerprint scanner and support for high-resolution audio. It will also offer 5G connectivity, dual-band Wi-Fi and the likes. The Xiaomi 12 Lite 5G is expected to launch in India soon. More details should be available in the coming weeks. So that is all for today's video. If you find this video useful, then please don't forget to hit the like button. If you are still not subscribed to Phone Politics, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also follow us on social medias, the links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Sayonara.